Hey everybody, Two Chef Mission here with Tony. We're gonna go ahead and show you a new skill to go ahead and implement into your kitchen so that way we can, help you be more safe and efficient throughout your cooking process.
So the next skill we're going to cover is prepping garlic. So we're going to show how to peel it and then also chopping and mincing it. So one of your easiest ways to peel the garlic is I like to use the palm of my hand to just press on it, which easily gets it off. But if that is difficult, you can always use a knife. You just press on the knife, obviously press up top, don't press near the blade, but it does the same trick. Now we're going to show you how to chop the garlic. So you always, when you're using your knife, want to keep your fingers tucked away because if you have them pointing out, you are more likely to cut them. So you want to tuck them and then just run through the garlic. And then once I'm there, I like to rock the knife back and forth through. Now if you're chopping your garlic, it can be this size or it can be slightly smaller, but if you're mincing it, you want it to be a lot smaller. So once you've gotten it down to pretty consistent small pieces, that's what we're looking for. And there you have some minced garlic. And that is our skill for the moment.